Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create polls on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, open a group chat or create a new one. Navigate to the group chat where you want to create the poll, then tap the plus icon. At the bottom of the chat window, next to the text box, tap the plus icon. This will open an additional Actions menu. In the menu that appears, tap Polls icon, often represented with a chart or graph symbol. Enter the question you'd like to ask the group and fill in the response options for the poll. You can add multiple choices based on the feedback you're seeking. Once you're satisfied with your questions and options, tap the Create Poll button to share it with the group. This feature is currently available for personal accounts in the Messenger and may not be available for business accounts yet. For more advanced survey options, you can use Facebook's third-party integrations or tools like Google Forms. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.